Hello students, good morning all of you and welcome back our online class Maths 8th standard. Students, today we are going to continue our 13th chapter, that is compound interest. In previous video already I have explained that formula on the basis of the compound interest. How to find out that compound interest by using the formulas already I have told, and I have given the different formulas based on that compound interest. Yes, but friends, today we are going to discuss about that how we are solving, how we are finding the compound interest by using this formula. Okay, so I have written that some examples. Let us see, let us solve that, and same as it you should follow and get the idea how to solve it. ठीक है, so देखो बच्चे, इधर क्या दिया, इधर कंप्यूटेशन ऑफ द कंपाउंड इंटरेस्ट यूजिंग फार्मूला, मतलब हम जो कंपाउंड इंटरेस्ट निकल रहे बाय यूजिंग डायरेक्ट फार्मूला से कैसे निकलते। मैं बोले थे पहले, जब हम कंपाउंड इंटरेस्ट निकलते हैं हमें सिंपल इंटरेस्ट का फार्मूला यूज करके एवरी ईयर्स में टर्म वाइज हम निकल सकते हैं, लेकिन बाय डायरेक्टली हम यूजिंग फार्मूला आल्सो वी कैन फाइंड आउट द कंपाउंड इंटरेस्ट। ठीक है, कंपाउंड इंटरेस्ट फार्मूला क्या है, इज इक्वल टू अमाउंट माइनस प्रिंसिपल। सो क्या फार्मूला है, कैसे हमें निकलते, यू शुड लेट सी। The first question given that example one, find the compound interest on 1000 rupees for 2 years at the rate of 10% per annum compounded annually. Did you understand students? Answer it. Find the compound interest. Compound interest निकालो on that 1000 rupees. That means principal given 1000 for 2 years. The time it has given 2 years and rate of 10% per annum. Compounded annually. For annually we have to find out that given the principal 1000, 2 years for time given and the rate of interest for given 10%. ठीक है, so given that part first of all we have to write it. Given that, ठीक है, principal P is equal to how much, 1000. Next time, that is we can write n is equal to how much, 2 years or the time 2 years, rate of interest 10%. ठीक है, so amount, what is that, amount is equal to the formula p whole 1 plus r by 100 of n is equal to p मतलब 1000, 1 plus 10 by 100 power 2 is equal to 1000 into 0 to 0 cancel to 10 plus 1 by 10 plus 10 is equal to 1000 into 11 by 10 into 11 by 10 because square is there. So now we can cut 1 0 1 0 cancel, here 1 0 here 1 0 cancel, so 10 into 11 into 11, 11 11 is 121 and 0. That means we got that 1210. So here I write, so amount we got, hence amount is equal to 1210. So compound interest for that formula, amount minus principal. Amount how much, 1210 minus 1000, 210 rupees. Hence the compound interest is rupees 210. Did you understand friends? क्या करना है हमको, पहले जो दिया whatever the question it has given, you should write down that given that p is equal to how much, not 1000. What is that time, time is equal to that we are taking that n is equal to 2 years and r is equal to here 10%. So according to that formula, amount formula, what is that students, it is very important. Amount formula p whole r 1 plus r by 100 whole power n. So p मतलब 1000 में सब्सिट्यूट किया, 1 plus 1 r मतलब 10 by 100, 0 to 0 कैंसिल कर दिया, 1 by 10 होगा, So 1 by 10 है तो एलसीएम ले लो तो 10 plus 1 by 10 एंड 1000 11 by 10 plus 1 is equal 11 by 10 तो होल स्क्वायर मतलब 11 by 10 11 by 10 बिकॉज़ होल स्क्वायर इज देयर। ठीक है, तो उसको सिंपलीफाई करेंगे तो 1200 अमाउंट आ रहा है। तो अमाउंट फॉर्मूला वी गॉट दैट कंपाउंड इंटरेस्ट फॉर्मूला अमाउंट माइनस प्रिंसिपल। तो अमाउंट इज इक्वल टू 1210 माइनस 1000 इज इक्वल टू 210 इज आवर व्हाट इज दैट आंसर। ठीक है, तो सेम लॉजिक स्टूडेंट्स, फाइंड द अमाउंट on 15,000. Second example, 625 in 9 months. How much months? 9 months. At the rate of 6% per annum, when the interest is compounded quarterly. Interest कितने से बना है? Quarterly मतलब 3 months में that interest it should be collected. That means it is divided by 4. So remember students, whenever that interest is quarterly, that means 4 times. That time you have to rate of interest also you have to divide by 4. ठीक है, so what is that? First of all write down students, given that what is that principal given how much? 1625. Okay, time means n is equal to given 9 months. हम इसको लिख सकते हैं n by 12 years is equal to कट करके तो कितना लिख सकते हैं हमें 3 by 4. ठीक है, यस। नेक्स्ट रेट ऑफ इंटरेस्ट गिवन दैट हाउ मच 6%. ठीक है, सो स्टूडेंट्स नाउ क्या करना है? व्हाट इज दैट सॉल्यूशन? अमाउंट इज इक्वल टू p होल 1 प्लस r बाय 400 बाय, ठीक है, 4n. डिड यू अंडरस्टैंड? ये फार्मूला यूज करना है क्योंकि 400 डिवाइड किया, क्योंकि r बाय 400 होना है, क्योंकि इसको दिया कंपाउंडेड क्वार्टरली. क्वार्टरली का मतलब 4 टाइम्स में करना, 3 yearly में 4 times you have to collect it. So the rate of interest also divided by 4, so 400, and the power should be 4n. Okay, so now put the value 15,625 और 1 plus rate of interest कितना है? 6 by 400 whole power 4 into n value कितना है? 3 by 4 कैंसिल is equal to 15,625 into sheets. इसको छोटा कर दो 3, इसको कट कर दे तो 200. ठीक है, सो एलसीएम 1 plus 3 by 200 whole power 3 is equal to 15,625 into इट एलसीएम लेंगे तो 203 by 200 होगा. ठीक है, अभी क्या करना है? इज इक्वल टू 15,625 इंटू 203 बाई 200 इंटू 203 बाई 200 इंटू 203 बाई 200, क्योंकि उसको क्यूब है. ठीक है, अभी इसको कैंसिल करो बच्चे. वी हैव टू कट दिस 5 3 जा 15. ओके, 5 1 जा 5 12, 5 2 जा 5 5 जा 5 से कट करो, 5 4 जा 20 0. ठीक है, फिर 5 से कट करो, 5 6 जा 30, 1 12, 5 2 जा 10, 5 5 जा 5 8 जा. ठीक है, सो नेक्स्ट इसको 5 में कट करो, 5 40 जा 5 1 जा 5 1 जा 5 2 जा 125. ठीक है, फिर इसको कट करो, 5 8 जा 5 2 जा 10, 5 5 जा. ठीक है, 25 1 जा 25 8 जा. ठीक है, नाउ हम क्या कर सकते हैं? इज इक्वल टू 203 इंटू 203 इंटू 203 बाई 8 इंटू 8 इंटू 8. ठीक है, सो now we can see that what is that, friends? We have to observe. So see, so now what you have, we will get that 203, 2 into 203 into 203 by 888. That means what we will get that, see friends, if 203, if we multiply, we will get this, will get, what is that, 1039 5427 5427 1039 5427 by how much it will get, 512 is equal to, answer will get 20,303.50 something approximately, you can take. Okay, now what you will get, if we divide, then after we will get that compound interest. So compound interest is equal to, how we get the compound interest, you should see, compound interest is equal to amount minus principal. Okay, amount is equal to how much, 20,303.50 minus 15,625 is equal to the amount of 20,303.50 minus 15,625 double 0. So 50, 13, 5 means 8, 9, 2 means 7, 12, 6 means 6, 9, 5 means 4. Okay, so 4,678 point, hence the compound interest is how much, 4,678.50. Okay, so like this way, what you have to do, students, first of all, you observe carefully this very little difference, that formula you have to put that here given that quarterly, so that you have to, whatever that year it is came, that you have to write n days 3/4. But here 4n why should go, because it has given that quarterly, 1 year quarterly is equal to 4 times. So here rate of interest will become 4 divided by 4, and here you have to multiply with 4. That is the formula of quarterly I have given you. So that if you will apply this formula, you can get the answer this. Okay, and I hope you have understand about that. And for your homework exercise 13 points, exercise 13.2, you should do the homework. Thank you all of you. Have a nice